We're going to begin with a view of what is taking place right now in Williston, North Dakota. Our storm system developing out that way, and it'll be moving our way. From time to time, we can certainly see those flakes drifting by our Skycam shot there. Again, Williston seeing snow. It's on its way. Let's take a look at the very latest. First and foremost, it is a first alert weather day as we head through. Here's the storm system, and we pause this after midnight. That's when the snow will begin in our western counties. So it moves across the region with the heaviest bands of snow being just to the north of the track of this center of low pressure here. Now, as we go towards just before daybreak, the heaviest of the snow will be making its way right through the Red River Valley. And because of that, that morning drive, no matter where you want to go, could be challenging in places. Now, as we go through the late morning, the heaviest snow shifts off to the east to central and eastern Minnesota. We'll still have some wraparound snow, but then the wind picks up late morning. And in the afternoon, it will quickly exit off to the east. First alert weather day for Saturday. Be advised, could be some tricky areas of travel. Here's a look at that snowfall total right off the bat. And again, we haven't changed this much from yesterday. I-94 and points north towards Highway 2, 1 to 4 inches expected there. The heaviest, I think, is going to be very close to Highway 200. Carrington, New Rockford towards Hillsboro. We could see an enhanced band of snowfall in your area, maybe even northern Cass and northern Barnes counties as well. 4 inches, isolated 6 inches plus in 1 or 2 spots. So shovelable, not necessarily in need of that big old snowblower yet. Now notice that heavier band goes through Norman County, Monoman County, and it could wobble a few miles either way. So just be advised. It's going to be a wild start to our weekend on Saturday. Right now, cloudy skies here in the FM area as seen by our Valley Skycam out at Hector. Temperatures are in the low 40s. We have a wind chill out there right now because those winds are 13 miles per hour. From time to time, they've been gusting over 20 miles per hour. The coldest weather, north central Minnesota, below freezing there today. A lot of blues and a lot of 30s around the region, holding in the low 40s though in the southern valley. Here's a look at the visible satellite, and this is cloud streaming through. But early on this morning, there's some white stuff on the visible satellite that wasn't moving. This was a band of snow that made its way through Stutzman and western Barnes County. Here's what we saw on the ground impacting our travel this morning in the FM area. And now there's even more where that came from, heading at us from Williston, where we saw at the top of the program there what they were contending with. Again, pausing this in the overnight hours. After midnight, snow begins in our western counties. Now, if you're in the far southern valley, some rain showers, and I think some of you will actually stay dry. If you're in the far north near the international border, same thing goes. But by daybreak, we'll have a band of moderate to heavy snow where you see the dark blues and purples here, right along or near Highway 200. Notice how close this is to the FM area. Any deviation from this expected track of the storm could move this or wobble that heavier band of snow just a little bit. As we go through the late morning, that snow exits out through Minnesota, and then in the afternoon we'll be left with some gusty north winds and cold conditions as the skies clear into your Saturday night. One more look at that snow band, Highway 200 to Highway 2. That's where the heaviest will be. A few of you, 4 to 6 inches. In Fargo, I think an inch or so is what we can expect. Morning snow showers, heaviest first thing in the morning, decreasing towards midday and beyond. We'll start to see clearing skies into the late afternoon and evening. Your hometown forecast shows exiting snow in the 4 o'clock hour, but the cold continues. Here's another look at that shot from Jeff at Maplewood State Park. A little bit of snow on the grassy areas. Thanks for uploading your photos. We'd love to see more as we go through this weekend's event. Mike, Sunday will be quieter and still cool. In fact, all of next week, lows in the teens and 20s, highs in the 30s and low to mid 40s is all hit and miss showers of rain and yes, even a few more flakes.
All right. Thanks so much, Hutch.